Good movement is not just physical, it's a coordination and efficiency. Majority of people struggle to seamlessly orchestrate the body to perform tasks effortlessly and accurately. Introducing Aruka's Movement IQ Screen, developed by Hall of Fame strength and conditioning coach Kent Johnston. The Movement IQ Screen is designed to reveal your current level of movement aptitude. We take a look at your movement patterns and determine your proprioception, balance capabilities, elasticity, and more. But why do these patterns matter? An assessment of movement patterns can provide direction on how an athlete can improve their level of athleticism. The Movement IQ Screen is like a fitness compass. Let us help you to know where you are and where you need to go. No more wandering with Aruka's Movement IQ Screen. Perfect for young beginner athletes, healthy senior citizens, and everyone in between. Contact us today if you have any questions.